Today we talk about how can you select who can invite you to open apps on your Flick app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click on privacy here. So when you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go down here, so you keep going down. Then you come here to who can contact me, and you come here to who can invite me to open apps. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.